After wire connection, we need to switch off, switch on. Okay. Oh, now we can see the lights on the PLC like this. So the compressor oil heater start working, and we need to keep doing this for 24 hours. We need to warm the compressor oil up to 42 degrees Celsius before we run the machine. And we can put our hand here to feel the warmness, to confirm the oil is hot enough or not. We need to warm the compressor oil up to 40 degrees Celsius before we start the machine. And normally we need to keep the compressor oil heater working for 24 hours. And that is to confirm, that is how to keep the compressor oil heater working. Just a switch on, and we can see the lights on the PLC. Even when the user stops the machine, you should keep the compressor oil heater working. Every time we start the machine, we can put our hand here to confirm the oil is hot enough or not. Like this. After the machine working for a long time, we need to check the discharge pressure here. This one, this red one. Okay, 15, 20, and it should never be higher than 20. When the discharge pressure is getting higher, when it's getting close to 20 bar, we need to clean the condenser, because the condenser is not efficient after long time use, and the user needs to clean the condenser to remain its good efficiency. The discharge pressure will go up when the condenser is becoming less and less efficient. Before it reaches 20 bar, the user needs to clean it. And the user should always check the color of the compressor oil. The user needs to replace the compressor oil before it's getting black. When the oil is black, the quality is not good. And this is the model of the compressor oil.